Hey guys, this is Mike. I'm back. It's been a long time. I created a video, probably about, I don't know, a year and a half now. It's been crazy, just, with the other businesses that I've been focusing on, more on the e-commerce side of things. But I need to go back and jump, into the crypto space again. And there's so many out there that's just learning all the other different type of lending platform, the mining platform, the minting platform or staking. There's so many out there that it's truly hard to know like if they're really a scam or if it's a long-term type of program or a short-term where I didn't want to be in that the type of programs where it's not going to last you, and it's hard to promote that way, and you never know, nothing's guaranteed, so that's why I kind of got away with that, or kind of like separated from that, and until now, learning about the cloud token. As you can see on my screen, we're gonna go learn about the cloud token and why I think this is a good program to get into, even without having to sponsor someone or refer someone. I think it's a great passive income, and yeah, let's get started, and let's talk about the actual project. You're gonna see a lot of videos about who the owner or who's behind it or who's behind the project. I'm not gonna go into that, and I'm not gonna go into how I may briefly say, hey, how are we like making money in the system, right, passively. So I'm not going to go into the technical stuff of how they're trading and all that stuff. I just want to make this video short and direct you to how to get started, I would say. But yeah, so my sponsor introduced me to cloud token, and after probably several weeks of reviewing who the owner, who's behind it, I wouldn't say who's the owner, but who's behind the project, and how it works and how you make money. Is it sustainable long term? Is it a scam? All these things, right? Because there's so many videos out there talking about this is a scam, this is a scam, this is a scam. We've heard it. I mean, again, some of these YouTube reviewers or saying this is a scam. If you see, go back to their description, they're promoting other programs, right? So there's a way for them. There's a way for them, or a tactic, or a strategy on how to get referrals that way, by talking about a program that they're not even into, or not even or haven't even tried it at all, and saying this is a scam. So you just have to do your own due diligence and learn about it, and that's what I did. I'd gone through all the reviews out there and did my own research. Are they transparent? Is that the training that they're demonstrating is it really real, right? So the only way you'll know about that is actually if you've done that before, right? I mean, I know if you haven't been trading at all in the crypto space, learn about it. Like there's so many other YouTubers that or videos on YouTube on how to trade in several different crypto exchange platform, right? Learn about just the basic, how to recharge and things like that, and then that's how you'll know that if a program is really just BSing you on like saying, hey, we trade, or you know, they're just kind of like making it seem like they're trading, but they're not, right? So you'll know. So anyways, I just want to just kind of explain that, how I got started is doing my due diligence and research, and that's how I did it. As you can see here, I'll just quickly show you because, you know, again, I haven't really shared this with anyone. So I'm just doing a video so that way I can share my experience, just, you know, just being, you know, it's possible, show you it's possible you can make money on Cloud Token just by yourself without referring anyone else. So I'm going to just go into the application here. It's on my phone, as you can see on the screen. If I go to my referral, you will see only one, and this is one of my friend that I had him test the marketing system and go through the process of signing up and having him review the marketing system or free marketing system that I'm about to share with you. And this guy doesn't really, you know, it's not technical. It's someone who rarely goes on the computer, and he was able to sign up pretty easily, going through the step-by-step videos and things like that. So I'll share that marketing system with you, and you'll get the same access as I do. You can, you know, it'll be coded to you with your Cloud Token referral code, and then you can share that with the others. So anyways, just to show you I don't have anyone, and just kind of provide you proof that you can earn money in Cloud Token without referring anyone else. Alright, so as you can see here, on my wallet, sorry about that, let me just use this on my phone. As you can see, this is really real, right? This is my phone. You'll see notifications, so this is not some kind of screenshot or anything like that. So anyways, as you can see on my super wallet, I have 32 Cloud Token, equivalent to 1574 USDT. So that's what I've earned so far. I think I've been on this program for like a week and a half or so, you know, they reward you daily with the CTO tokens as long as you participate in their project called Jarvis, which does arbitrage trading. And you'll see some evidence of these tradings in my videos if you sign up or subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a live, it was the event in I believe in Indonesia or Malaysia, sorry, I can't remember on top of my head, but where Richard I, who's the CTO, who's responsible for all these projects, and he showed a demonstration of how the arbitrage trading works in that event. So anyways, going back, I've deposited, the way you get paid here, we call it get paid to HODL, but at the same time you would have to participate in the Jarvis trading, and that's where you would transfer your holdings of any one of these coins, right, or tokens. Like I've used my Ethereum, so I've deposited about like let me just show you. I deposited 2.30 Ethereum. At that time it was like, I think it was 225 per Ethereum, and so I wanted to deposit $500 or more, because if you are going to share it with your friends and family, or you want to sponsor someone, you want to at least have 500. So my recommendation, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. Again, do your own due diligence everything, there's a risk in this, type of anything. There's a risk, right? I mean, at your own job, you have a risk of getting laid off. I mean, nothing's guaranteed. What I'm saying is that, just deposit at least 600, so that way, because crypto fluctuate up and down, so you want to have that kind of buffer. So if it falls below 600, you're okay still, because if you want to sponsor someone or share with someone, the only way you get commission or get compensated is at least having at least $500 holdings in the Cloud Token wallet. So again, don't put in whatever, don't put in more, that you can't afford to lose. Treat it as like, it's like going to Vegas, right? Like you gamble, and you don't want to put your hard-earned money, or where it pays for your food and your house, or your home, or your house. You don't want to risk that, right? So just again, put something that you can't afford to lose, or can't afford to lose. I'm like, wait a minute, you can't afford to lose. I can get confused with that. But anyways, going back, as you can see, I deposited August 8th. Yeah, it's about maybe 2 weeks ago. And it takes about 48 hours to actually start earning Cloud tokens. So so let me just go back here. So now I have about 32 Cloud tokens. I'm just holding it here, and there's so many different ways that you can compound in the system. Some people would convert the Cloud token to Ethereum by using Atomic Swap, I believe. I haven't tried that myself, but you can do that. Swap your CTO with the Ethereum, and then again, participate in the Jarvis project, and then that's how that's one of the strategies that you can use to compound. And some are just holding it, hoping that the value of the CTO token will go up. And from my understanding, if you see some other presentation, it already had an increase of like 60% from the time it started back in, I believe, May. It was 30 cents. So this is going to continue to go up. As more projects gets released, the value of the coin will just continue to increase as well. So anyways, like I said, you can earn passively here by yourself, or without having to share with someone or sponsoring. Then this is why I think this is a good program or a project. Again, the man who's responsible for the project, his name is Richard I. He's been very transparent. You can actually go into his Facebook, follow him, and he has he'll post videos and updates and things like that. Very transparent. So you don't want to miss this at all. In my opinion, this is a very good project, and you want to at least get started. I believe the minimum is $100 to actually participate in Jarvis, but if you are going to sponsor, share it with others, it's good to have that. I think it's 600 would be a best a starting point if you are gonna share this with your friends and family. So you'll have that leeway or buffer when crypto goes down, then you're still within that $500 range. because minimum is 500 to actually start, or to actually earn commission from your downline. Anyways, yeah, so this is the app on my phone, which is an Android phone. It's also available in the Apple. So let me go ahead and share you the free marketing system, and then we'll go from there. All right, this is the marketing system that I was talking about, and it's 100% free. So yeah, this is an awesome system where you can share this replicated page coded to your referral code or your cloud token code, and this is where they would, you would direct your potential referrals, or share with your friends and family, and they can go through the process of signing up or just opting in, and then learning about the cloud token. Even if they don't decide to join, let's say they didn't download the application, or just let's say they just wanted to learn about it more, it has some automated follow-up emails, and hopefully that will catch their attention again, and then go through the sign up process. It's an awesome system, and it's 100% free. So you just have to enter in your email and go through the process. It has several or many different video tutorials, and yeah, it's an awesome system. It's called Coinonomy. Yeah, this is the best system I know that's out there that you can refer others to. The other website that I'm referring to, or the other website that I need to talk about, is the Cloud Token Wallet, which is this is the official website where you can download the application, and it has its own tutorials, PowerPoint presentation, and you can learn more about the Cloud Token application or the system. It's available on the Apple and Android. So if you really want to learn about the project itself and the future projects that Ronald I is introducing in October, I believe. There's like if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, there's a live event that took place in, I think, in Malaysia, or I think it's Malaysia, or Singapore, and they talk about the Jarvis trading, and they do again a demonstration in that live event, and then they talk about the future projects. Anyways, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or concerns, just reach out to me on Facebook, or also should have a telephone number somewhere in the description of this YouTube video. And then yeah, that's it. So hope you guys learn about the cloud token. Again, do your due diligence before you get into something. Feel confident about the program or the opportunity you're getting into before. And again, there's always a risk in anything in life. There's also always a risk in your job, or even traveling on your vacation, things of that nature. But if you don't take that risk, then nothing will happen, right? So just have to, run with it, do the best you can to learn about the system and feel confident, and go from there. Anyways, that's it. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.